Okay, so I'm going to show you how some simple foods can make a resistor, which is an electronic component. You don't need to go out to the store and buy something. What I've done in this circuit right here, which is actually the identical circuit that I showed in the Expert Village clip about making a simple synthesizer and oscillator, we've got the resistor substituted out for two nails here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick these nails into this Jell-O, and we are going to substitute the Jell-O for the resistor. So without that Jell-O there, we've got sort of an infinite resistance, and then now this is becoming the control source for my oscillator. The more resistance it sees, the farther apart these are, the lower pitch it's going to be, and then if I get them close together, less resistance, it's going to be higher pitched. So I've got an organic variable resistor here, and you can use this instead of turn it down a little bit. You can use this instead of rheostats or potentiometers, and it even responds to my touch.